the idea of a chi-square goodness of fit test. Chi-square goodness of fit tests are used when you have one qualitative, that is categorical variable, and you want to see if it fits a proposed probability distribution. A proposed probability distribution proposes what percentage of the time each category or option of the variable occurs. The basic idea of a goodness of fit test is to compare observed sample data to what you would expect the data to look like if the proposed percentages were true. If what you observe is too far away from what you expected, then we conclude that the proposed percentages are probably not accurate. For example, suppose your qualitative variable is color of new iPhones purchased. The possible colors or categories are gray, silver, and gold. And you want to see if the variable fits the proposed distribution that says that 40% of new phones purchased are gray, 35% are silver, and 25% are gold. The null hypothesis is that the data will adhere closely to or follow the proposed percentages in these categories. In the iPhone example, suppose we recorded the colors of 100 phones purchased. If the proposed percentages were accurate, then out of these 100 phones, we would expect to count 40 gray, 35 silver, and 25 gold phones. Suppose instead that we observed in our sample that we had 30 gray, 48 silver, and 22 gold phones. Then we need to measure how far the observed data are from what we expected. If the observed values 30, 48, and 22 are determined to be too far away, statistically speaking, from what we expected, that is, the 40, 35, and 25, then we conclude that the percentages are probably not accurate, that is, we reject the null. On the other hand, if the observed values are deemed pretty close to what we expected, then any differences could just be due to sampling error, and we conclude that the proposed percentages are possibly accurate. That is, there's no evidence to suggest they are not.
Created using Powtoon.